Mom, I want the Apple Watch. But honey, we have the Apple Watch at home. The Apple Watch at home? Yes, I really did use an overused joke. Cue intro. Hey, you kids. So, today, as of the time of recording this, it's my birthday. So, yeah. So, I got this for my birthday. It's called the iTime. Is that supposed to mock Apple? I don't know. Kind of looks like a Galaxy Watch. But, so this is kind of my cheaper stepping stool to the Apple Watch. So, let's just unbox it. So yeah, time for another boring unboxing video, guys. Ooh. It's just sliding right out. Okie dokie. Here's the charging cable, I suppose. And removing the cable tie. So here's the charger. It's a nice little futuristic circular charger. And so now we're just gonna open this bad boy up. Ooh. Okay, finally took the watch out. Seriously, whoever decided that should be fired. Like, that was the stupidest package design. Why can't they just lay it out in a straight line, like this? Like, similar to what the Apple Watch did. And you can also change the band on the Apple Watch, so, yeah. But, again, this is supposed to be the kind of the Apple Watch Lite. So, hey, it even has a digital crown that you can pull. See? Let's see if we can boot it up. Maybe it needs a charge. Who decided not to charge out of the box? That's kind of stupid. Let's charge it for a little bit. Oh yeah, it also doesn't come with a brick for some reason. But thankfully the hookup's just USB, so I found this little brick here. Man, that packaging was hell. And man, it's so tiny and dinky. Like, here, let me show you how tiny and dinky it is. Like, look how small this cable is. Jesus Christ. Can't you just make it a little longer? I'll have to do this on the floor. Alright, cool. Now let's see if we can turn it on. Jeez, this camera is trash. Like, this camera's actual trash. Really need to get a professional camera. I mean, I guess you can see why it's trash. It's an Android phone. Oh, it's charging. Boot up, you asshole. Turning doesn't help. Nothing helps. I guess we're gonna have to leave this. Why can't this just come charge out of the box? That's kind of stupid. Stand there. Okay. There we go. And there's actually no setup at all. Okay, let's try Bluetooth. No? Oh wait, hold on. It's to turn the Bluetooth on and off. Okay. Kind of confusing. What? What? Okay. Steps. Let's try step counter. What's this? Hmm. Huh. Oh. This. Huh, it can actually rumble. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, it's not the best watch. The Apple Watch can work without a phone, but like can work without your iPhone, but it can cooperate with it too. Let's try actually putting this on and taking it for a little walk. Okay, there's actually more to this phone. Random eye, sedentary, sleep, pedometer, message, call log, contacts, dial, dual mode, Twitter, Skype, Facebook, WhatsApp, breathe, Siri, style, calculator, stopwatch, heart rate, torch. That's a flashlight. That's a flashlight. Shutdown, reset, QR code, brightness. About setting. Who would forget setting? I mean, not bad device, but we could be deader. What's this? Oh, this is just a lock screen. Okay. What? How do I enter it? Oh, there we go. I've slept for 0 hours. Very cool. Oh, yeah. So kind of confusing. Come on. Oh, okay. What? Yeah. So yeah, that's my lame little review on the iTime. I mean, it's not a bad watch, but they could have done a lot better. Maybe this is an Apple Watch knockoff, I don't know. But anyways, bye-bye.